Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get $300 bonus from Chase Bank. Very easy guys, very open. I'm currently using this account. I have affiliate link in the actual comment section pin. So if you want to go ahead and click on this one if you're interested getting into this deal. Let me simply break you down what are the requirements and how you can actually benefit from this bonus. I signed up for this card last year. The bonus was just $200. Now it's $300, so I guess this is even better deal. The reason for it simply because is that if you are a new Chase customer and if you're looking to open a new checking account, Chase is offering you this deal over here. So essentially, when you open a new Chase Total checking account using the link down in the comments and set up a direct deposit within 90 days of the coupon enrollment, you will get the bonus. Essentially, over here, you will see that the way how you are going to waive the monthly fee, something that is very important. A lot of these big banks have a monthly fee, and some of them requires you to have certain amount of money that is your current balance, and it will be your main balance, so you will be able to waive the fee. So how are you gonna waive the fee of your total checking account with Chase? All you gotta do is to keep a balance of $1,500 every single day, which means that you deposit this money, you don't touch this money, right? And then you're gonna get a $300 bonus, and you're not gonna pay any monthly fee. Very, very easy, guys. This is the full breakdown in 3 steps how you're going to get the $300. So first of all, you are going to open a new account online. This offer is only available online using the link that is down pinned in the comment under the video. Very important is that this offer expires by April 17th, okay? You still have a couple of months. Second step will be after you click on the link and you sign up is to set up a direct deposit in the app. It's very easy. You have 90 days to do that. You just go on the app and you click set up direct deposit and you input the information, okay? Could be from your employer. There's many ways that you can actually proceed with direct deposit. And third step is the sweetest part. You are going to get your funds, your money, your $300 within only 15 days. This is unheard of. Almost every other bank will, take 3 months, 6 months, 90 days, until you actually process and you receive your funds. So this is why I like Chase, and it's been good so far. I haven't had any issues. I've been receiving my direct deposits a day earlier, right? No issues. So I think if you guys are interested, if you're looking to get some good bank, the biggest bank in the US, and get some money out of opening a new checking account, of course guys, if you are not looking to open checking account, it's up to you. But a lot of you probably looking to start new year with some free money. If you are about to open a checking account, why wouldn't you get $300, right? That's a good question over here. If you're interested, guys, check up the link that is pinned in the comment section. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.